Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you? I gonna see something in the street because somebody throw it, so maybe my daughter can use it. It's that one. It's like this. You see? Still okay. Oh, still new. Yung asawa mo titingnan ka lang kasi namumulot ka. Tingnan mo. Oh. I will see. It's from the street. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Ramadan Mubarak. Bye. We have a new one.